welcome back to my channel, Glow with Candace. And if you're new here, welcome. I'd love to see you back on my channel. So hit the subscribe button down below to see future videos like this and more by me. And don't forget, hit the notification bell as well so you're notified for any new uploads of mine. Today, we're gonna be doing an unboxing and real-time use and I guess review of a product from Kylie Jenner, which is the Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick Kit. So it comes with a liner and then it comes with the lipsticks. So that's kind of cool how they come hand in hand. It retails for $29. I bought this on sale. Most of the stuff I buy on sale, especially if I've never bought it before or bought from the brand, I don't want to buy something full retail price and be disappointed. So I'm super excited to put this on for you guys, show you how it looks, and show you the color that I got. And these sets come in matte or velvet, so I purchased matte. This is the outside packaging, and it's pretty slick looking with the black and then the lip, and then it shows the color of it. I purchased this in Kylie, which is the name up top here, and it's this beautiful dusty, let's see what it says exactly. So it's a soft dusty nude and it retails for $29. I did not buy it for $29. I don't know what I bought it for, but I just bought it on sale. These come on sale semi-frequently, I've seen, so just keep your eye out if you're interested in purchasing them. And then it says, for Kylie's lip kit tips, for best result, fill in your lips with the lip liner, then top with one coat of matte liquid lipstick. Interesting. I think I'm gonna try what it says. Here is the liner. And on the tip, it has the color so you know, so if you have a few of these. And this is, how many ounces? This is 0.03 ounces or 1 gram. And then here is the liquid lipstick. I love how this black melts onto, that is just beautiful. Oh, that is really cute how it says Kylie with the little heart. That is so cute. So I'm super excited to try this and show you guys how it looks. And of course, I am going to let you guys know how it ends up wearing. So I am going to put that in the descriptions down below. So if you're curious about wear and if it wears well, then of course, read down below in the description box. So it's said to apply the liner all over for the best effect, or I guess for the best results. I guess I'm just gonna apply all over. This is the tip here. It's a beautiful color. Wonder how you sharpen that. Because it feels plasticky. Maybe you can use, I wonder if there's a sharpener for that. Because, I mean, it feels kind of, I don't know how you, I mean, you could try, it just feels like plastic, so I'm trying to push and I don't really know how. Oh, I feel like some just went down. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to do this and I can't. So I'm sure you sharpen it, but it feels like it went, does it look like it? It looks like it went down, but I don't know. I don't know how I did that. Whatever the case. This is like, I'm kind of frustrated because I can't figure out how to sharpen this. Well, it sounds like you can use any kind of like pencil sharp, like obviously like makeup sharpener. And they just said to make sure it's not dull. So that's kind of, I wish it was like a twist up, you know? So I'm kind of annoyed by that because like, look how low this is. And I just opened it. Now I have to go find a sharpener, which I'm not gonna go do. So I'm just gonna try and make do with what I have and, you know, put this on. All right, so I applied the lip liner all over and there's like nothing left of this. So that's kind of frustrating because I just like bought, like you saw the tip how it already went down. So I'm gonna try it with my eyeliner sharpener. But if you don't already have a sharpener and you purchase this and not knowing like it doesn't twist up, that's kind of obnoxious because that's another separate purchase you have to do. You can't just buy this kit. It should have a twist up, I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of obnoxious to me. Okay, well, over that. So now I'm just going to apply one coat of this, just like it says over it. I mean, the color is beautiful. Very beautiful. And it looks good with my look today for sure. And it dried really fast, so I think it's gonna wear pretty well. So I'm excited to see how it does end up wearing. My overall first impression of this is I'm annoyed with the lip liner, and I'm annoyed because I just bought it. I shouldn't have to sharpen it immediately, which it couldn't even like do it initially. Like I was barely down to the nub. I'm annoyed that you can't just twist it to extend. Like that's how it should be. Like I don't want to have to sharpen this. Like that just annoys me. I don't have a ton of lip liners, so maybe that's how they generally are. But for me, I really feel like it should be a twist top. And even if not, it should have been sharp enough that I didn't need to apply my sharpener the first time. So that's kind of annoying to me. I love this color. I love how it came in a set of like the two, and I love how gorgeous it looks. I'll be intrigued to see how it lasts throughout the day. So definitely read down below in the description comments. So I'll let you know how it wore for the day, and if it smudged. And you know what? I feel like now it's like the test, like the face mask test. Does it withstand your face mask? Like if you put on your face mask, is it gonna get all over your face mask and then all over your... I don't know if you guys have dealt with this, but I definitely have, where my lipstick got in my face mask and it smudged all around. And I'm like, well, this sucks. And when I take this off, I'm definitely gonna look crazy. So good thing when I take it off, I'm at home and my husband doesn't care. He probably is like, wow, what did you do? But goodness, that is just not fun. So I will let you know with the face mask test too. I have to go run some errands today, so I will put that down below. Let you know how this wears throughout the day, if it's longevity, if it smudges in my mask, if it gets all over the place, because I feel like that's a good test right now with the world that we're living in, is does it withstand a face mask? But first impression, it's definitely beautiful. The one thing that annoys me is the lip liner thing, so it is what it is. Thanks for stopping by with Glow with Candace. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review and real-time use and first impression of the matte liquid lipstick set from Kylie. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button down below. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button to see future videos like this and more by me. But until next time, bye!